Meet Aonflow, the smart iPaaS platform that connects and automates your business systems. Choose from hundreds of pre-built connectors, configure your flow in minutes, and go live in less than 72 hours. Monitor everything from a centralized command center with real-time insights. Connect everything. Integrate anything. Accelerate operations.
Create a Twilio connector. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to create a Twilio connector in Aonflow. Start by navigating to the Connections page and clicking Create Connection. A list of available applications will appear. Select Twilio from the list. Next, enter a connection name. It should be more than 3 characters. Then fill in your account SID and Auth Token. Once all the required details are entered, the Authorize button becomes active. Click Authorize to proceed. After successful authentication, you will be redirected back to the Connections page, where your newly created Twilio connection will appear, ready to use in your integrations.
Connect, integrate, accelerate.